You said 9mm stick or
Less than 9.
less than
Less
9?
than- You said less than 400?
Less than 400.
Less than 400 grams. What sort of connectivity will it have on it? What sort of ports? HDMI?
HDMI, micro USB. Yeah, the rest of it's yeah.
Right.
Oops. Maybe not all the way down there.
That'll make for much better pictures.
Yeah, and of course, full range of Wi-Fi, and then LTE option as well.
Okay. Any docking accessories with that? Keyboards?
We've got a keyboard, cases, wide eye, NFC, a lot of other stuff.
Good. Okay.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah. And this will be just one of a new range of devices
We'll be
under the
introducing
Venue
full range
range.
of Venue tablets. Yeah.
Okay. That's great.
Just a little more. I'm sorry.
Yeah, go on, please.
Carry on.
Reach on in.
I just saw him taking a picture. It's like, oh, I don't want to block that.
You gotta get it just right, or else part of something gets washed out or something gets really big. We'll see. It is pretty dim. I might be right.
Yeah, you must have your ISO pushed way up at this point to be getting much out of this.
It's at 8 inches. 8 inches.
This is 8 inch.
I'll do it one more time. That'll be the last. That'll be the last.
We will have a full range of tablets, like I said, we'll introduce
That's the
in
special.
October. This is HD, full HD, yeah.
You have any word on the pricing yet?
No pricing.
Not at
yet.
all? Okay.
A picture of the back, please.
Of course.
And there's the Intel logo right there.
Yeah, and so you see actually it's got a real cool kind of texture that we've applied to it. Somebody made it to crop circles, so we have a building crop circle design on it. But it makes it feel really good because you've just got enough texture that it feels good and makes it non-slip, but
Okay.
not so much that you can actually notice it when you're just holding it in your hands for extended time.
Are Dell going to do anything to help developers get apps on these sort of devices? You're going to do a sort of developer, promotions and stuff. I mean, I know Lenovo do that.
We've already done a lot there, and you also remember we've got our own in-house development organisation with our services team.
Right.
We're doing a lot of app development.
So we can expect
for
Dell
these-
apps.
for customers that are in verticals like healthcare and places like that, where we'll do sort of a core that's 80% of what all of them need, and then customize it,
Right.
so everybody can get the benefit of scale. And other versions where we'll just bring them as standards to market.
Okay.
So, for example, I mentioned Pocket Cloud in the presentation. That's a
Yes.
Dell developed app that we're bringing across our entire family of
Right.
products.
It's going to be globally available, or
Globally available.
yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet
Thank you.
Is there any kind of convertible keyboard option?
We have an external keyboard option. It's
You could use an 8 inch device.
Oh, that's got a nice finish actually.
yeah.
Rubberized sort of.
It's a soft touch material, but then we integrated this sort of this. We didn't even create a name for it. Some in the branding group should have come up with something. Yeah.
What about how are you going to talk about branding? Connected standby. Not a lot of people know what that is and what that means to a Windows 8 device. Always on. I think Microsoft have just rebranded it Instant Go, which to me is a backward step in terms of branding because it's really always on rather than
It is always
Instant
on.
Go. Are you going to rebrand that? Try and highlight the fact this is an always on Windows device that can be used, for example,
We'll be talking
for
about
Skype.
always, we're talking always on, and that
Yeah.
instant, like you've got it, and there's stuff that's coming in and out of it all the time.
Sure.
We're going to be more focused on what do you actually say about what the user benefit is, rather than the naming around.
Right.
We
'Cause-
have a tendency as an industry to name everything and not explain what the hell that bloody all means.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
Let's talk about what the benefit
Can
to
you
customers.
show us the screen?
Of course,
You said LTE and 3G versions available.
LTE versions. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Good.
Those will roll out globally at slightly different
Sure,
points in time,
sure.
as you'd expect from certifications. But
Yeah.
Could you please turn
this way?
Yeah.
I have not. No.
No, are you saying much more about specs than you actually said on stage?
No, not at this point. I think I gave away a couple things in here, but not much. Sure, hang on. Has everybody this side got their picture so I can give these guys?
Doing demos here? Is this
The good news was there was a point in my life where I actually was a hand model, so this actually comes back to.
Seriously?
I was, yeah.
Fantastic. So those hands were insured. Well, they were.
I wasn't that good. Yeah.
So we'll have
Thank you.
people.
There is.